take a look at 1970 Pontiac Bonneville 4-door hardtop. As you can see, no pillar between the front and rear door. This particular car, Bermuda blue, which would have been the original color of the car. It appears that much of this paint is original, and yes, it does show its age some, as you can see, but overall just a neat, authentic, original looking Bonneville. Now 1970 also, the first year you get the 455 in the Bonneville, and that's what this one has, and that's what this one came with originally. As you can see, the chrome grille, headlight surrounds, nice shape up front here. Also nicely equipped car, power steering, power brakes, AC. Appears all the AC components are there. I did not have the compressor kick on or off, so may need a little attention, but it appears all the components are there, and we'll check that out when we open up the hood, take a look at the engine. Remember, uniqueclassiccars.com is the website where you can check out all the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Original blue interior. This is also an original mile car, a little over 30,000 on it. When we get around to the driver's side, we'll open it up and we start it up. Check out the exact miles. One thing else, wanted to show you here a second. Take a look. This does have the rust inhibitor where they would have sprayed the interior panels of this car. You can also see it over here on the doors, and that is all the way around this car. And it definitely shows. It appears that it has done its job. If you take a look on this. Now, there's a little bit of checking back here in the paint. You can kind of see that. And condition of the paint there, fender skirts. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, that 455 is paired up with an automatic transmission on this one. Bench seat, of course, as you can see with the shifter on the column. Has a dual exhaust added to it. A few miscellaneous things will come with this. There's some lead additive, the jack, a couple extra floor mats, air filter, and I will throw those back in the trunk. And those will be included in the purchase. Once again, still pictures. Take a look at the underside of this engine bay interior. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. Give you a look up and down the driver's side. And, you know, there are a few, you know, maybe a little ding, just small one here or there, but not in bad condition, considering that this is original paint. 50 years old now, a little more. And look at this interior. 32,430, by the way. I'm going to make that buzzer stop a second. So 32,430. See that on the odometer. And look at these seats. It's got a lovely 70 seats. Look at the condition of that cloth. Also very nice shape. Of course, you have the extra shoulder belts, because up here on the roof line you would have your shoulder strap that would come down and buckle, as well as your lap belt. Rear seat looks just as good. Door panels, also original in nice shape. As you can see, here's some more of those plugs from when they would have sprayed this, rust proofed it. And take a look in the pictures undersides of the doors, and it definitely seems as it has helped. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. I played around with a little bit ago. We'll let you know that the wipers worked. Had the AM radio. I did not have that working, FYI. So did not have the AM radio power up. Fan blows and everything works there, but as I mentioned before, did not have the compressor kick on in the AC, but it appears everything's there. Top of the dash, good condition. All right. The other thing, headliner, also good condition. Got a little rumble coming out of this 455. Listen to that. Sounds good. Be a fun car. You can get into the classic car hobby, do some local roll-in shows without breaking the bank on this one. Pretty affordable way of getting in. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I'm going to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is. 455, first year, 1970, was available in the Bonneville. Again, power steering, power brakes, look over to this side, AC. And again, see, all the components are there. Just needs a little TLC. Very original, low-mile car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out this beautiful 1970 Pontiac Bonneville with the 455 four-door hardtop. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.